Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a reachable API, an open API/Swagger spec or Postman collection, and Azure app credentials if using OAuth 2. Next, register the app in Azure AD to obtain a client ID and secret and set the redirect URI to Power Automate. Once done, open Power Automate, go to Data, choose Custom Connectors, and create from blank. This gets you straight into the editor so you can define general info, host, and base URL without wasting time on trivial. Now define how the connector communicates. First, configure security. Pick API key, OAuth 2, 0 or basic auth, and enter scopes and token URLs when needed so flows can authenticate. Then add actions and triggers by importing your open API file or creating operations manually. Set HTTP verb, path, headers, and request/response schemas. Make sure response examples match real data. Once defined, use the built-in test tab to run sample requests. This exposes header issues, CORS problems. Finish by saving and publishing the connector so it appears when you add an action in a flow. Authorize the connection, insert actions into a flow, and run it to validate end-to-end behavior. If something breaks, check run history in Power Automate and enable tracing or API logs to capture the failing request. Make sure tokens are valid, CORS and auth headers are correct, and response schemas match the connector definitions. If needed, update the connector, republish, and retest until the flow runs cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.